In today's video, I am taking angel food cake mix and I'm using the one that says just add water. I'm going to take the cherry pie filling. I'm going to combine them and make this cake. Wait till you see how this turns out. Just going to grab my bowl, but before I do that, I'm going to take the scissors and just cut this open and then add it to the bowl. Grab my pie filling and combine the two together. What a great combination, because you have the angel food cake and the cherries in this. It just makes it turn out so good. I just love this recipe. So you just want to try to get all of that out. I'll take my spatula and just clean it up to make sure I get every last bit. And I really like this part because when you combine the two, it turns almost a pinkish color. It is just the smell of this smells so good. When I first made this, I felt like there was too much cake batter and not enough pie filling, but watch as I continue to stir this. You can see how it's all coming together. You definitely want to make sure you go down to the bottom of the bowl and make sure you get it really good, because it could hide down there some extra cake mix that you definitely want to make sure it is all combined. Today I will be using two 8-inch pans. I need one of the cakes today and I'm going to freeze the other one and then I can have it later. I'm going to go ahead and spray both pans really well. To measure half, I just kind of guessed at about what half is, and actually it's so thick you could almost just take half out, the other half stays put. And then I'll put the other half in this side. And then when you spread it out, you can kind of tell if they're even. You could move a little to the other pan if you needed to, just to make sure they're both even. And now you just want to spread it out. I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes. I'm just going to drop them to make sure there's no air bubbles. I'll put a toothpick in to make sure they are done. The thing with angel food cakes, they puff right up, but as soon as they cool down, they do fall. But don't be worried about that. They do fall. It's still delicious. I had watched a video and she had said to put it on the side, so I thought I'm going to put one on the side and one not on the side, and we'll see what happens. As soon as I did that, I could see it start to fall down, but I think it's going to be okay. I'm going to go ahead and pull the other one out, and I'm just going to let the other one sit right there just like that so we can compare them. So this one did shrink a little. See how the side to the right is pushed it all in. This one did kind of sink down. So either way, they both taste great. You put some ice cream on this and you'll never know the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the pan, and it comes out so easy. Look at that. My second one I'm going to do just like that, but I'm going to wrap it up in plastic and put it in the freezer. I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece. I've got the ice cream out and ready. Let's take a look and see what this looks like inside with the cherries in there. I will just pull out a piece. Oh, look at that. It holds together really well. Look at that. You can see the cherries. Oh, this is going to be delicious. I can't wait to try some of this. It's nice and warm. Just going to add a scoop of ice cream right on top, just like that. That looks delicious. This is so good with or without ice cream. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.